The GoMining VIP status program is live. And no, it's not just about a fancy title, though it does look cool. It's about getting more rewards, more perks, more reasons to keep mining. Here's how it works. Now, everyone has a VIP level. Yes, even with 0 terahash, you start at Bronze 1. Your VIP level is based on either your total terahash or veGOMINING votes, whichever is higher. That means the more terahash you own or GoMining tokens you lock, the better your perks. With multiple levels and sub-levels, there are rewards for everyone, whether you're just starting out or taking your mining to the next level. And here's why you'll love it. Pay less in maintenance fees and keep more of what you earn. Higher VIP levels mean bigger discounts. Unlock features like BTC reinvestment in terahashes with a 5% power upgrade bonus. Miner Wars leadership. Unlock exclusive game advantages. VIP support. Get priority assistance at higher tiers. GoMining cards. Loyalty features. More ways to use your rewards. Launchpad allocations. Higher tiers mean better access to new opportunities. And more exciting benefits coming soon. Your VIP perks are already waiting. Log in and check them out. More mining, more rewards, less hassle.